Namaste guys. So I got a message from Mahmood and he's asking, can you make something like this? Basically, especially this groove part. So how to make these line grooves? So this is his main question. So let's see how to make it. So I will open Solidworks and let's see how to approach it. So let's change the background. So first thing that I will do is I will make a circle, obvious thing. So I will select the top plane, click on sketch and draw a circle like this. Go inside, give it a smart dimensions as per your requirement. In my case, 40 is fine. Features, swept bow space, click on thin direction, increase the thickness and height to 20 You can choose height and thickness as per your requirement, but in my case, I think this much is fine. Now I will select this edge and make it bevel, chamfer it, sorry, 1 I think this much is okay. Now, how can I make the groove? So before I start working on it, I need to know what's the diameter. So it's 80 Okay, great. I have one parameter. Now I will select the front plane, click on sketch. I will draw a center line from the top. Draw something like this. Go to the smart dimensions. Draw a line. I know the diameter is 80 So 2 into pi into 80. This will give me the circumference. Basically on this circumference, I have to create those lines. So what I can do right now is draw the center line like this. This is one and one. Now a question comes to your mind, what should be the number of divisions and how should I set them apart? So in case of Mahmood, so this is 10th, this is 11th and this is end at 12th. Okay, a 0 basically. So what I can say that total length divide by how much? 12. So total length is 502.65. Go to the smart dimension. 502.65 divided by 12 up to this much. Great. I will draw a center line again. Now how many divisions are there in between? 4. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5th. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So total 5 I can say. So my bad. 41.89 divided by 5. This one. After that I will go to the linear sketch pattern. Select this and I will select this line. What is the distance? Is 8.38. So make sure that you enter this distance 8.38. So this is 4. Click OK. And let's give them some width and height. 1, 10, 0.5. Great. And after that what I will do, again linear sketch pattern. Wait, it's not selecting something. Linear sketch pattern. First select the axis about which I want to move. So this one. And then select these lines. And make sure the top line as well. Now the correct distance is 8.38. 8.38. And 3 4. Okay. Okay, click OK. Go to the features, exit the sketch first, go to the wrap command, select this face, make sure that it is inside, enter the value zero point 0.2, click OK. So I have made one, but I need the bigger one as well. So I will select the front plane, click on sketch again. This is exactly the, now what I'm making is the main doubt of Mahmood sir that they ask. So let's make it 1, not 1.5. Total thickness will be 1 mm. Sorry for the external noise, I can't do anything for that. 15, click OK. Features, extrude cut. Now I can use the wrap command as well, but I want to show that there are more than one ways to do it. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not, or you can use wrap tool as well. But it's up to you. I want to show you that there are more than one ways to achieve same things. 39.9. Okay, so it cut down. Now what I want it more. So what I can do now, watch carefully. Click on here, circular pattern. Select this. So how many times I want? So total it will be 10. 6, 6, and let's do repeat with the same as well. Circular, not this pattern, but this one. Click OK. So now it's not looking great. Now let's add some colors. Like let's add black because it's not good like my life. Sorry for that. So click on here, and I want to add on circular pattern. Repeat this step here, circular pattern. For some reason it's not here. Okay, wrap command, wrap command. Okay, so in that way you can make it. Now question arises, how can you put text here? 0 1 2 3 4 5. You see there text here, so how you will put text here? That's a good question. So I will leave this to my audience, but if you want the solution, you can check out my Solidworks course, link in description. It is Solidworks beginner to advanced, and I will answer there. But if you are interested, then I will answer and post it there. So tell me, do you want how to correctly align these number and place it there? If answer is yes, just comment it. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.